Sanibona bafethu, I'm sure besenizwile indaba nguMarcel Koller, ucoach we-Al Ahly. Yabo, so izolo ngithole umbiko about the coach. Kuthiwa i-Al Ahly isimfake isicathulo. Al Ahly isimfake isicathulo simxoshile ucoach because wahluleka ukuwina iChampions League yale season. Kahle uhlulekile ukuwina iChampions League yale season. Akazi ngikhuluma ukuthi mhlawumbe into esedlulile. Yes, uhlulekile ukuwina iChampions League yale season, ushawe iMamelodi Sundowns. If ukhumbula kahle ke badlala iFirst leg neSundowns la eSouth Africa, bedlala le eLoftus badraw ngo-0-0. Mase beyodlala le eCairo, ilapho khona iMamelodi Sundowns yakhombisa khona ukuthi i-team yangempela yakwazi ukuthi bashayele home. Yabo, igame yaphela ngo-1-1. Abadlali be-Al Ahly bona bakora igoli. Yabo, which is a pity, which is not a good thing on coach's side, because ucoach vele yena ubesehlele engcupheni ukuthi axoshwe. Yabo, bese belindele nje ukuthi meke wayiwina le Champions League mhlawumbe they will reconsider him staying and coaching the club le kwi-Club World Cup. Yabo, same story as Mikel Cardoso, but ke istory sa Mikel Cardoso ngisazokhuluma ngaso. But ke ucoach yena ukhonjwe indlela because uhlulekile ukuyiwina iChampions League. Yabo, njobe ehlulekile nje ukuyiwina iChampions League, even right now akasiyena unumber 1 kwi-league yase-Egypt. iPyramids FC iyona unumber 1 kwi-league yase-Egypt. Yabo, so izinto zakhe beyingamhambeli kahle umjida. Mwase ubheka ama-stats akhe since afika kwi-Al Ahly. Wafika kwi-Al Ahly ngo-2022. Imagine usedlale ama-matches awu-160. He played 160 matches, won 108 games, draw 33 games. Waba nama-defeats awu-19. Wascore, iteam yakhe yaskora ama-goals awu-307. Waconsider ama-goals awu-125, which is not a good thing. It is not a good thing as a team. As a coach, kumele ukhulume nabadlali bakuthi hawo bafethu noconsider kangaka. 160 matches consider 125 goals. But ke asize kuma-achievements achievile kwi-Al Ahly. Mase sibheke kulo 160 matches iziphi izicoco ayilethile kwi-Al Ahly. Wawina ama-Champions League awu-2, wawina ama-Egyptian Premier League awu-2, wawina ama-Super Cup awu-2, ama-Egyptian Cup awu-2, wase wawina ama-Egyptian Super Cup ayi-4, wawina i-FIFA AAP Cup ayi-1. Yabo, so lo ucoach lo onezicoco zangempela. Ucoach onezicoco zangempela ayiwinile le. Yabo, ucoach lo one-experience ongakwazi ukufika noma yiphi team akwazi ukuthi ayiwinise leyo team leyo. So bekuyishoka ngempela ukuzwa indaba kuthiwa ucoach we-Al Ahly uxoshiwe. Yabo, mhlawumbe bezokwazi ukuthi abuyise ithemba lokuthi abaqashi bakhe bamgcine ukube iwinile le Champions League, ukube mhlawumbe ube unumber 1 kwi-league, bezolibuyisa ithemba kubaqashi bakhe. But ke yena ke uxoshiwe. Njoba sikhuluma nje right now uyi-free agent. Njoba sikhuluma nje right now ayikho i-team esamqashile. Njoba sikhuluma nje right now kune-team ezohanjelwa ucoach mekuphela isizini yala eSouth Africa. Njoba sikhuluma nje right now leyo team leyo iphumile kwi-Champions League, ikhishwe iPyramids FC. Njoba sikhuluma nje right now uMarcel Koller uyi-free agent. I'm sure abantu abaningi mhlawumbe bazophikisana nami ngalento engizoyisho la, but mina I don't think I would mind uMarcel Koller joining Orlando Pirates. I don't think I would mind this guy joining Orlando Pirates. Yabo, ngeke ngibe nayo inkinga because mase ubheke kwi-CV yakhe iyasinda impela. Une-CV esindayo, even though uJose Rivera efika ku-Orlando Pirates wayengenayo i-CV esindayo. But mase ubheke uMarcel una experience mekudlalwa le eAfrica. Yabo, uyazi izinto ekumele zenziwe eAfrica. Uyawazi ama-tricks. Uyazazi izinto. Yabo, iloko nje engakusho. Orlando Pirates mina ngokwami kule game adidlana nePyramids, I feel like bashawe i-experience. Yabo, bashawe i-experience, bashawe ulwazi olwanele. Uyalida ku-game second half. Where are the tricks? Why ngayilalisi phansi? Yabo, I'm sure lo coach lo unawo ama-tricks kuma-sleeves wakhe. Yabo, unazo izinto angayinikeza Orlando Pirates mase sidlala le eAfrica. Into ezikanjalo nje because njalo kwabona ama-team ase-North Africa mase edliwa, mase wina njalo avela iqulekise phansi, awe phansi, enze lezo zinto nje. Yabo, ayachiphezeza. But beside doing that, yena uyalazi ibhola mfethu. Mase sibheke nje mfethu ama-team asekawacoacha before afike kwi-Al Ahly maningi kakhulu. Because mina ngikhumbula kahle wase Switzerland lo coach lo. Njengoba wase Switzerland, mase wabheka ama team, yabo, waqala ukucoacha ngo1997. Imagine, waqala ukucoacha ngo1997. Ngangakacatshwa ngaleso sikhathi mina fethu. 1997 waya le kwi-FC Saint Gallen ngo1999. Wasuka lapho wajoina iGrasshopper Club Zurich ngo2002. Wasuka lapho waya eGermany, yabo. Mefika eGermany wacoacha iFC Köln. Ngampronounce lokho ama comments ngo2003. Wasuka lapho futhi wakhona futhi eGermany wayocoacha iVfL Bochum 1848. Wasesuka ke lapho ngo2009 wayocoacha i-national team iAustria. Yabo, wahlala isikhathi esiningi kwi-Austria national team because waqala ngo2011 wazogcina ngo2017. Wathi sesuka lapho wayocoacha iBasel yaseSwitzerland. Yabo, waqala ngo2018 ukuyicoacha waze waqeda ngo2020. Wahlala 2 seasons enginayo i-team. Kwathi ngo2022 yamcosha iAl Ahly FC. Lapho khona sabona uPieter Mosimane eshiya. UPieter Mosimane wahamba kwiAl Ahly naye wafika wanikeza iAl Ahly icoco eziningi. Yabo, wanikeza iAl Ahly icoco eziningi wase washiya ke ngo2022. Ngo2022 appointa yena uMarcel Koller. Yabo, so mase ubheke kule list yama team asewacoachile, uMjida unayo experience yase-Europe, unayo futhi experience la eAfrica. Yabo, so into angayinikeza le Orlando Pirates, into esiyidingayo because mase ubheke coach i-top of the list yo coaches badinga coach base-Europe vele. uMarcel Koller wase-Europe. Yabo, mhlawumbe unawo ama contacts ase-Europe angakwazi ukusilandela abadlali aba-based e-Europe. Mase ubheke TS Galaxy coach bakhona hlezi bezofika nabadlali abasuka le e-Europe. Yabo, bahlezi bezofika nabadlali abasuka e-Europe. Why thina singathola ucoach abanjalo abawusilandela abadlali vele aba-based e-Europe abazodlala la? NjengoZamovic nje. uZamovic wale Europe. Ucoach lo ufikile. Ucoach lo ade khona njalo. Obe coacha TS Galaxy. Uyena walanda le uZamovic le eEurope. Yabo. So into ezikanjalo mfethu zingakwazi ukumsiza lo Mjida lo awuthola umsebenzi Orlando Pirates. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates are considering to sign him. All I'm saying is that I wouldn't mind to see him coaching Orlando Pirates. Ngeke ngazi kunina ama comments ningathi ngalento. Yabo, but I wouldn't mind seeing him coach Orlando Pirates after being fired by Al Ahly. Yabo, mhlamba khona kamanye ama team angamconsiderisha. Yabo, because ngizwile kuthiwa iZamalek ibingqongqoza kuJose Riviero. Imihluleki iZamalek mhlambi ngaya kuyena uMarcel Koller. Yabo, ingagijima kuyena yozama ukumsign because phela bama rivals neAl Ahly. Yabo, asas anything can happen bafethu. iZamalek ayenzi kahle, ayina coach right now iZamalek. Ayina coach right now iZamalek nayo. So naye ingenza izinto zenzeke, asazi. All I'm saying, I wouldn't mind to see uMarcel Koller a coach Orlando Pirates because we need istar sesibili, we need ileague. Sesikathela ama cups. Asazi, ungangitshela ama comments uva neSport lebafethu. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ngiyabonga support eninginayo nabafethu.